The mystery of the moon. Could there still be active volcanoes? What do you think about the possibility of active volcanoes on the moon's surface? Do you have an answer to this question? If not, hold tight, because we're about to uncover a shocking discovery you won't find anywhere else. Thanks to China's historic Chang'e 5 mission in 2020, scientists analyzing samples from the moon have made some astonishing findings. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about the moon being a dead celestial body. If the moon is still active, we might be facing a scenario with volcanoes that is very different from what we previously believed. The lunar soil collected by Chang'e 5 in 2020 contains tiny glass beads that could be evidence of volcanic activity. According to scientists, volcanic eruptions may have occurred on the moon as recently as 123 million years ago, which in cosmic terms is almost yesterday. This finding suggests that the moon might not be as quiet as we thought, and that volcanic activity could still be occurring on its surface today. Data obtained from the Chang'e 5 mission. China's Chang'e 5 mission was a major step forward in discovering volcanic activity on the moon. The mission brought back 1.7 grams of lunar soil to Earth. Despite the small sample size, it was enough to shed light on the moon's past. Through the analysis of 3 tiny glass beads found in the sample, scientists uncovered compelling evidence of volcanic eruptions. In the past, it was believed that volcanic activity on the moon ended billions of years ago. However, the Chang'e 5 samples indicate that volcanic activity occurred only 123 million years ago. In cosmic time, this is a relatively short period, which suggests that the moon may still be geologically active today. The glass beads were likely formed from volcanic fountains of lava. While similar beads had been discovered on the moon's surface before, they all dated back billions of years. These new findings, however, indicate that volcanic activity on the moon happened much more recently. This information could fundamentally change our understanding of the moon's evolution. The causes of volcanic activity on the moon. Scientists are now working to understand how the moon's interior has retained enough energy to drive volcanic activity. Since the moon formed about 4.5 billion years ago, its interior should have cooled down, ending volcanic activity. But the glass beads found by Chang'e 5 suggest that the moon still has localized heat sources. Research shows that these glass beads contain high levels of rare earth elements and thorium. These elements can generate heat through radioactive decay, which may cause rocks in the moon's mantle to melt, leading to volcanic eruptions. If the moon is still capable of volcanic activity, this raises important questions not only about the moon's past, but also its future. What does this mean for future lunar missions? The discovery of potential volcanic activity on the moon has major implications for future lunar missions. NASA and other space agencies are planning to establish human bases on the moon. If volcanic activity is still occurring, safety measures for these bases may need to be reconsidered. Additionally, could the energy from moon's volcanic activity be harnessed by future astronauts? This discovery also highlights the need for further research into the moon's interior. If the moon's volcanic processes are still active, how do they work? Where is this energy coming from? Scientists are planning more studies to answer these questions. This finding shows just how exciting space exploration can be. The moon may not be as dormant and inactive as we once believed. Future research will provide us with more insight into this mystery. Conclusion and call to action for viewers. In conclusion, we may have learned that the moon is a much more dynamic celestial body than we previously thought. The samples collected by Chang'e 5 indicate that volcanic eruptions took place on the moon 123 million years ago. This suggests that the moon is not entirely dead and could still be active today. Scientists will continue to work on this discovery, and as we learn more about the moon, we'll be able to answer some of these questions more definitively. Stay tuned as we keep following these exciting developments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up to support our work. It's a pleasure to share this journey with you as we uncover the mysteries of the moon. Until next time, goodbye.